Welcome to this meditation on the nature of the Atman, the individual soul and its connection to Brahman, the universal consciousness. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, closing your eyes if you haven't already. Allow yourself to relax and sink deeply into the present moment. This is a time for you to explore the vastness of your true self. So let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhaling gently through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. As you breathe, allow your body to soften, releasing any tension or discomfort. So breathe in and feel your chest expand. Breathe out and feel your body grow heavier, more grounded. Now bring your attention inward, allowing your mind to settle. Imagine that your awareness is retreating from the external world, and you're turning your focus to the quiet space within. We will contemplate the ancient wisdom of the Upanishads, where it is said, "That thou art, you are one with the divine." So as you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your heart. In your heart center, visualize a small, radiant light. This light is the Atman, the essence of your soul. It is the purest, most subtle part of who you are, beyond thoughts, emotions, or even labels. Feel its gentle warmth in the center of your chest, a calm, steady presence. With each breath, allow this light to grow brighter. Slowly it expands, filling your entire chest. Then your whole body. This is the light of your true self, the eternal presence that resides within you. As the light expands, imagine that it begins to dissolve the boundaries of your physical form. The edges of your body begin to blur, and you feel yourself merging with the space around you. The light continues to grow, extending outward, filling the room, and then moving beyond it. As the light expands further, it merges with the infinite. This is the experience of Brahman, the supreme reality. In this space, there are no limits, no separations, just pure consciousness, infinite and eternal. You are one with this vast universal presence. There is no you and no other. There is only oneness. Allow yourself to dissolve into the wholeness of the universe. You are not separate. You are part of the infinite. So let go of any thoughts of individuality or limitation. There is only the vast, unchanging presence of Brahman. As you breathe deeply, let's introduce a mantra to deepen this connection. So with each inhale, silently say to yourself, Aham. And with each exhale, Brahmasmi. Aham, Brahmasmi means I am Brahman. It is a reminder that our essence is not separate from the universal consciousness. You are part of the infinite. Inhale, Aham. Exhale, Brahmasmi. As you repeat the mantra, feel it resonating within your being. Allow the words to merge with your breath, effortlessly flowing in and out. With every repetition, you reaffirm your oneness with the universe, your connection to the infinite. There is no rush. Let the mantra guide you deeper into the experience. With every breath, you become more aware of your eternal, formless nature. You are beyond the limitations of the body, the mind, and the world. You are part of the infinite fabric of existence. Now let the mantra fade and simply rest in the experience of being. Feel the boundlessness of your soul, connected to the vastness of Brahman. There is nothing to do, nothing to achieve. You are already complete. In this space of stillness, allow yourself to fully experience the dissolution of all boundaries. You are not your body, not your thoughts, not your emotions. You are the infinite consciousness that pervades all things. So as you rest in this state, feel the deep peace that comes from knowing your true nature. You are eternal, formless, and inseparable from the cosmos. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Although the experience of oneness may seem to fade, know that this connection to the infinite is always with you. You are never separate from Brahman, from the divine essence that flows through all creation. So as you prepare to return to the present moment, take a moment to acknowledge the truth of your being. You are Atman, and Atman is Brahman. You are part of the infinite, and this truth is always with you. So when you're ready, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back to your body. Slowly open your eyes, carrying with you the awareness of your connection to the infinite. Good work today, and namaste.